This is my desk. It's completely unorganised. I want to change that for 2026. How hard can it be? Let's start 3D printing. First of all, just a simple cable tie holder to get rid of some of the spaghetti. It just mounts with one screw, and I'm just drilling a pilot hole and screwing that down, and you can add in a cable tie and organise however you like. The link for this and the other model that I got off of MakerWorld will be in the description, but all the rest I've designed myself. Next, let's sort out some of the clutter. I need somewhere to put my headphones, so I'm just going to design a simple headphone mount. There are many designs online that I could have chosen from, but I thought I'd model this. It's a simple enough part, and honestly, I need the CAD practice. CAD practice. So I sent this off to the printer. It only took about 18 minutes, I think, and screwed it in, and that was number 2 done. Excuse the poor job of levelling. Doesn't really matter that much. It's just a quick and dirty headphone mount. Like always, I'm going for function over form. Now for a general organiser, I use these books for my ideas, as you can see by the vise that I made a few months ago. That started in here. So let's get some measurements of all the stuff I keep on my desk and go to Fusion. Fortunately, most of the things I want specific holders for are round, so I just need to put circles in the diameters, plus a bit of clearance, and the rough depth of how far they go in. And then a slot for the books, and just a general tray for anything else. Then in the slicer I made the bottom of the tray white, just for a bit of contrast on my black desk. Now this organiser still slides around a bit, so I bought some of this nitrile cork. I thought I'd add it to the bottom of the organiser, and it might make it feel a bit less like a 3D print and a bit more a finished product. I just cut a piece to rough size and use some contact adhesive to put it on, because I didn't want to use super glue, but this stuff also gave me some trouble. Oh, I'm not sure I should be touching that. That hurts. Ooh, it's burning. Bollocks. So, after touching it, I then put some gloves on and read the warning label, and actually, you're not meant to be touching it, so always read the warning labels. They are actually there for a reason. This really hurt. After a few minutes, I came back to it and it was dry, so I used a craft knife to cut around the perimeter of the organiser, and it was done. Number 3. Now this is the last one I got off Thingiverse. It's a desk bin. I saw this model a few months ago and thought, actually, that looks really cool, and it exactly fits what I want for my desk. So, don't reinvent the wheel, just print it out. This came in 4 parts, 2 screws and a mount, and the bin itself. And you can get adapters for bags and things. I just want a little bin. It screws onto the side of the desk and has little tabs on the bin that fit in slots on the mount. And that's number 4. Number 5 is just a simple phone and AirPod stand. Yeah, there's thousands of models online for these things, and they all have little MagSafe this or different angles or this or that. I just want a simple thing that will hold my phone and hold my AirPods. So this is a few rectangles with a few fillets, and it came out absolutely fine. I mean, good. It came out good. It was really good. Great, good, not fine, wrong word. It's amazing. And this one I'm also going to back with some of this nitrile cork for the same reasons as the organizer, and I've learned my lesson. I'm not going to touch the stuff. I know now, it really hurts. Like before, I left it to dry for a couple of minutes, stuck them together and cut around the perimeter, and didn't burn my fingers, which is fantastic. Number 6 is a simple cable organiser. So simple, I forgot to record modelling it, but it is a few circles on a plate with the screw holes and some slots for the cables to go in. Now, the cables went in quite tight. I couldn't get this one out, so I had to install it with the cable in, but it's fine. My keyboard and mouse cable also went in the other holes. They were a lot easier to go in, but won't come out on their own. Clearly have a thing or two to learn about camera angles, so let's skip through this bit. And that's it, my 6 favourite 3D prints for organising in 2026. It's one of my resolutions to be more organised, and I think this is a good start. Not bad for a day's work. If you like these, please give the video a like, and if you want to see more of this content, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.